In today's video, I'll show you how to create an extract in Tableau Desktop. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced analyst, creating extracts helps boost performance and makes working with large data sets much faster. Let's get started. First, open Tableau Desktop on your computer. Once it's open, log in with your Tableau account. If you don't have one yet, create it now. It only takes a minute and allows you to save and manage your projects easily. Next, open your workbook and go to the worksheet where you want to create the extract. This is your workspace for building and optimizing visualizations. Now connect your data source. After connecting, Tableau will take you to the data source page. Take a moment to review your data, check joins, data types, and ensure everything looks accurate. Setting things up properly here helps you avoid issues later. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Tableau tutorials every week. Now, look at the top right corner of the data source page. You'll see an extract option. Click it to begin the extract process. Next, select Edit beside the extract option to open the extract data dialog box. Here you'll choose how Tableau stores your extract. You can go with logical tables or physical tables if you want more control over the data layout. Once your preferences are set, click OK. Then open any worksheet tab to let Tableau start building your extract. The tool will process your data and create a compressed version optimized for faster analysis. And that's it. You've successfully created a data extract in Tableau Desktop. This not only enhances speed but also makes offline analysis seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Tableau tutorials that help you visualize smarter and work faster.